So now we are going to see one more new command in this particular chapter, that is so first of all, and for writing any notes with arrowheads and with lots of things. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll go to leader. Okay, LEAD is the shortcut key for leader. So first of all, we'll create some objects. Let me create this circle. Let's say the radius be 30. Okay, let's create a rectangle here at the rate 200 comma 100. It's quite bigger, so little bit smaller. Go to rectangle at the rate 100 comma 50. Right, now go to leader, LEAD, leader. Okay, see, start point, it is asking start point. Suppose this is the start point. Okay, now left click. So again it is asking next point. So again left click. Again it is asking next point. Left click. Again it is asking next point. So continuously it will be asking like that. Suppose you want to write something, then you have to go to annotation. Go to annotation and write something. Let us write circle, enter. Now it will ask next line of annotation. Let us write radius 30. Again it is asking next line of annotation. Let us write dia 60. Press enter. Press enter again to come out of it. So you can see this is the leader. Yes, so this is how it is. I hope this is clear. Okay, now you can move this here, you can move it here, wherever you want you can move it. Okay, now go to properties, PR, enter. Okay, go to properties and select this arrow. Okay, so you can change the line type of this and all those things, you can do it from here. Okay, if you select this arrow only, okay, you can change the line type, you can change the arrow size. Suppose you want the arrow size as 5, see your arrow will become bigger. Okay, arrow size, lots of things you can manage from here. Okay, so this is a simple leader. Now go to that leader command again. LEAD is the shortcut key, leader. Let's say this is the start point. Again next point. Again next point. So after annotation, we have one more option called format. In the format, we have option spline, straight, arrow. As of now, I will go to spline. So once you go to spline, again it will ask next point. Suppose this is the next point. Now you can see it will create a smooth curve. After this, suppose you want to write anything, go to annotations. Now you can write here circle, enter, and radius 30. Press enter again to accept it. So this is how the leader works. So it's a spline. Okay, spline fit. This is very simple. Okay, go to LEAD again. This is the leader start point. Okay, go to format. We have arrow. Okay, so format type arrow and press enter again. Here, now you have to write annotation. Okay, annotation. So write again circle, enter. Okay, next line of annotation. Suppose dia 60. Again enter. So like this it works. LEAD. So this command is not that much useful. We have better leader command apart from that. So let's start. Now we have quick leader option. For that, the shortcut key is LE. LE is the shortcut key. For quick leader, you can see for quick leader, LE is the shortcut key. So go to quick leader. Now it is asking specify first leader point or setting. So as of now, I'll go to first leader point. Suppose this is the first leader point. Now it is asking next point. So give next point. Again give next point. Now it is asking block name. So actually why it is asking block name? Let me explain. Delete this. Go to LE, enter. Go to settings. Can you see? Go to settings. Once you go to setting, this leader setting will open. You can see from here, block reference is selected. Block reference. Suppose if you have created any particular block in this particular, okay, if you have created any block in this particular, what can I say? In this particular drawing, then you can add that. So we have different options for annotation type. First is M text. Okay, first is M text. So go to M text. See here, M text options are there. Prompt for width means here only in the command prompt, it will ask for text width. It will have suppose if you want frame text. Okay, you can select that. Always justify left means it will be always justified to the left. If you want, it will be like that. So prompt for width, I will select that. It will here I will give my input. Okay, so as of now annotation type is M text. M text option is prompt for width and frame text. Press OK. Now after doing the setting, go to first leader point. This is the first leader point. Next. So after clicking 2 times, okay, after clicking 2 times, it is asking specify text width. Let me give as 6. Okay, now first line of annotation text. I will write circle. Press enter. Now radius 30 and click enter again. So see, it will look like this. So it is a frame text. Can you see? So you can increase this size actually. You can increase the size of frame text. So actually this is not that much required. So let us go again. LE enter. Okay, go to settings. Go to settings. Okay, always left justify. Now I will select this. Okay, go to okay. Then after clicking 2 times, then it will ask enter first line of annotation. So I will write circle, enter, dia 60, enter, again press enter. Now it will fit inside this. Previously I gave my width. Okay, I gave my width as input. So you can see see here the width of the frame text means frame was not adjusted here, but in this case frame was adjusted. Okay, let me go to LE again. This is the first point, next point, again next point, text circle. Okay, press enter, go to radius, press enter, wait a second, delete this, go to LE enter, go to setting. As of now I am going to prompt for width. Okay, press OK. Now first leader point, next point, next point. Now the width is 6. Let me give annotation type circle, then radius is 30. Press enter. You will see that the frame is not as per the text. So if you want the frame to be adjust X as per the text, so for that you have to go to LE again, go to settings, you just have to do always left justify like this. So annotation text, it will be circle and radius 30. See, the frame is adjusted. Here the frame is not adjusted as per the text. So this is the beauty of quick. This is the beauty of quick text. Oh, sorry, quick leader. Now let us create one block. Shape new is the name of the block. Pick point, select object, press enter, okay, and click OK. Right now, you can see this has been converted into block. Now go to quick leader, that is LE enter. Go to settings. Second is select an object. Select an object. So go to select an object. Okay. First point, second point. Now select an object to copy. Suppose I want to select this object. See, suppose I want to select this object. So select this M text. So it is copied here. This particular thing is copied here. So this is how it works. Go to settings. Copy an object is selected, right? So after this again. So after clicking first, second, 3 times, then you have to select an object to copy. I will select this. So see, that has been copied. Now go to quick leader again, go to settings. This time I will select block reference. Okay, rest of the things, I'm just telling you the important things. Rest of the things you can do it from the dimension only, like tolerance and all. So I'm going to block reference. Okay, now this is the first point, second point, third point. So it is asking block name. Block name, by default it will take, if you press enter, by default it will take shape new as the block. So if I press enter, okay, insertion point it will ask. So let's say I will add like this. Scale factor along x, it will be 1. Scale factor along y, it will be 1. Scale factor, obviously alongside it is not required because it is 2D. Rotation is 0 degree, 0, enter. So see, this is how you can call out a particular shape into a leader. Okay, obviously the insertion point is not correct. So you can do like this. I hope this is clear. Okay, so this is how you can add a block to any particular leader. Sometimes what happens, we have to give some welding type or some other type. So you can do that from here as well. Okay, exactly, welding type or fillet type, anything. So for that, suppose I need this shape like this. Here we write welding type above and below, and we try to do this. So let us create the block first. B enter. Okay. Let me write. Some text will be written here. Some text will be written here. Okay, like this. Go to empty and write something here. Okay. Let me write XXX. Okay. Also copy this. Okay. So like this, it is there. Suppose you can join them or you can group them. Okay, go to group and group everything. So this has been grouped. Now go to quick leader, that is LE enter. Okay. Oh, first create this into block. So go to block. Okay, weld. Okay, this is the pick point. This is the selected object. Press OK. Now go to quick leader, that is LE, enter first leader point, next third. So block name is weld. Suppose I want weld, enter. So this is how you can insert. Now it will ask for scale factor. Obviously I want 1, 1, rotation angle is 0. Like this, you can enter, you can delete this. I hope this is clear. Okay, exactly. Sometimes if I go to block editor, wait a second. See, sometimes it becomes very important. Suppose let me explode this so that it become unblock. Now create a block of this again. Suppose A is the name, pick point. Suppose if I select this as my pick point, okay, select object. This is the object. Press enter and press OK. Okay, now delete this. Now go to LE, enter. Okay, first leader, second, like this, block name, suppose A. So A will come. See, this is the insertion point. Now scale factor along X 1, along Y again 1, rotation angle is 0. So like this it will be added because I created this as my insert point in block. Okay, yes, exactly. So this is how you can use the block. I hope this is clear. Now go to LE, enter. Go to settings. We have some more option. Annotation reuse. Suppose I select reuse next. Okay. Okay. Before that, we have some more options here. Leader line type arrow. Suppose if you don't want straight, you want spline, so you can select a spline. So here we have no number of points. So number of points I was setting it as 3. Suppose if I give 6. Suppose if I give 6. And arrowhead type closed. Suppose I don't want like that, I want a dotted type. Okay, here you can mention the first segment angle. First segment angle is 45, and let as of now any angle. Okay, first I will explain this point, number of points, then I will explain this angle constraint. And arrowhead is dot. Okay, now go to here, left click. See, you have to press 6 times. First click, second click, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the sixth. Once you press 6, once you click 6th time, then it will ask block name because their block was selected. So A, enter. So you can insert that. You have to do press enter, press enter, press enter. Okay, so this is how we can add leader. Now go to quick leader again, go to settings. Okay, this time I will select straight, and in the annotation go to none, m text. Okay, frame, just uncheck the frame. Okay, now first click, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. After sixth, text will ask because there I selected m text. So you can write circle, press enter, radius 30, press enter again. So this is how will look. So total 6 times I had to click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why 6? Because in the quick leader setting, I have selected here 6. You can select no limit, means unlimited time. Suppose you want more number of points. Okay, more than 6. So unlimited. Okay, so as of now, make it 3 only. Okay, now Now I will explain this first segment angle. Let us select the first segment angle as 45 or 30 rather, and second segment is 15. Press OK. Okay, now go to quick leader is activated. Now left click here. So see, this is say this is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, means it will snap at every 30 degree. See, 30 degree, then uh, means see the angles, it will track the first segment. This is the first segment, right? Because I am going to click second time, so this is the first segment. It will track at every 30 degree, like that. So left click here. Now see, it will track again at 15 degree. This is for the second segment, because in the second segment I set the angle at 50 degree, 15 degree. So like that. Okay. So see, it is tracked at every 15 degree. So first line of annotation text, you can write circle, enter, again enter. So see, like this. So if you change that angle, okay, go to LE, enter again, go to settings. Okay, you can change the angle, set it as 45, and this one is suppose 30 degree, and press OK. So see, go to this, see, 0, 45, 90, like this. So at every 45 degree it will be snapped. Then again 45 degree. See, 0, 45, sorry, 30, 0, 30, 60, 90, like that. And you can write something here, circle base. Okay, so this is how quick leader works. I hope this is very much clear. So that's all about quick leader. Now we have one more option, multi-leader. In that we will get lots of options. You can select this option, multi-leader. See, however, it is written as leader only, but if you click on this in the home tab, if you click on this, multi-leader, M leader will get activated. Now here we have three options, actually more than three options. Pre-enter text, leader landing first, or content first. First of all, let me explain what is this content, what is this leader landing, what is this pre-enter text. So for that, first I will directly see, by default, leader landing first. Leader landing first is selected. Okay, leader landing first. So click here. So see, this is the leader landing. Can you see that? That horizontal line is the leader landing. Means there the text may land. That totally depends upon you which option you are going to select. So that's the leader landing. You can manage that leader land size as well. Okay. So that's the leader landing. Suppose if I type some text, circle, and click outside. So you can see a leader is created. I hope this is clear. Go to leader again. Okay, so leader arrowhead location means leader landing first is. So first it is asking specify leader arrowhead location. So arrowhead location, arrow must be here. Now leader landing location, leader landing location. See, this is the leader landing, that horizontal line near the arrow, that's the leader landing. Okay, now you can write here radius 30 and click outside. You can double click here and you can manage whatever you want. Suppose, so this is the best thing about this particular multi-leader. Okay, so it will ask to write. Let me go to symbol, diameter 30 mm. You can write like this, two holes, two holes of 30 dia. Like this, you can write two holes of 30 dia and click outside. However, we have only on one hole, but I am just writing. And this is 60 dia actually, not 30. And you can edit as well. Actually, if you double click on this, that M text option will open. All the options which you have seen in the multi-text, M text, that will be shown here. It's very simple. Okay, actually text editor will open. You can close the text editor. I hope this is clear. Okay, so from this, if you go to leader, it will come like this. Okay, so now second option, see, as of now, leader landing first is selected. So if you go to leader landing first, means first it will ask the leader landing location. Suppose this is the leader landing location. Okay, see, this is the leader landing location. If you move your arrow like this, it will go here. If you do like this, it will be coming here, the arrow. Now it will ask leader arrowhead location. So this is the leader arrowhead location. So basically what is happening, let me explain one by one. Let me draw it for you. So this is the arrowhead. This is the landing. This horizontal line is the landing, and some text is written here like circle. Okay, some text is written here. Okay, that is the content. That's it. Okay, that's the arrow. That's the landing. That horizontal line is the landing, and some text is written there. That is the content. I hope this is clear. Okay, so this is the landing. This is the content which is written here, and this is the arrow. Okay, so let me write the content here. Two holes of 30 of R30 and close the text editor. So like this. Okay, now we have next option. Okay, leader landing location is done. Pre-enter text. So first it will ask, write the text. Suppose I want to write dia 60. Okay, and close the text editor. So the text has been written. Now it will ask, specify leader landing location. Just read that things. Read that things. Leader landing location. Suppose I want the leader landing location here. After this, now it will ask arrowhead location. Say, suppose I want the arrowhead location here. So you just have to read the command prompt. That's it. Okay, go to here. Now I will go to content first. Go to content first. Okay, so where you want to write the content, you can specify that. Suppose I want to write it here. So left click, again left click. Okay, now here I will write circle of dia, circle of dia 60. Now you can close the text editor. After closing, it will ask leader arrowhead location. It will ask leader arrowhead location. So suppose this is the arrowhead location. So left click there. So this is how it works. I hope this is clear. Okay. So everything is done. Pre-enter text. So you have to see the difference. In the pre-enter text, directly it will show the text. Okay. You can write it something and you can close the text editor. Now you have to show the insertion point of text. Suppose this is the insertion point of text. After that, it will ask the leader arrowhead location. So this is the leader arrowhead location. So like that, you can adjust everything. So that's very easy. You just have to Read it and you have to do it. It's very simple. Now I will teach you M leader style, that is multi-leader style, M leader style. So go to M leader style. It is quite similar to dim style manager. So this is the M leader style manager. Okay, so let us create a new style. Suppose the style name is Deep An Academy. Okay, starting with the standard, continue. Okay, see, maximum number of leader points. First, go to leader format. You can set the leader format. See, leader format is straight or spline. Spline will be like this. Straight will be like this. That you already know. Color, you can set the color. Suppose I want a green color, so you can set it to be green color. You can set the line type. Go to other. Let me select this as my line type. Okay. Select this and press OK. So line type is selected. Now line weight, you can select the line weight 0.3 mm. Now you can check the cross, actually arrowhead. Let me take this closed bank or this one, right angle. Okay. Yes, this is the symbol of arrowhead. Size, you can manage the size as well. Let me give it 6, quite bigger. Okay, maybe 8 will be much better. This is the break size. You might have remember I used an option during dimensioning called dim break. You can break that particular dimension. I will show it. Let me give it 10. Okay, break size of that. I will explain that. What is that break size? Now you can go to leader structure, maximum leader points. You know, because as of now it is 2. As of now it is 2. So I have to click only 2 times. If it is 3, then you have to click 3 times for creating leader. Okay, you can give the first segment angle, second segment angle, that you already know, that has been explained in the what can I say, in the quick leader option. So you can set it to be 30 and 45 like that. Okay, landing distance, set landing distance. Suppose if I set landing distance to be 10, you can see that, you can see this landing distance. This is the landing. Okay, see 10, this landing becomes smaller. If I give it 30, you can see that it will be more bigger. Okay, this landing will be more bigger like that. Okay, exactly. Now after that, we have content. In the content, what type of you want, M text or block? Suppose if you want block, then you can do like this, view number, sheet number, like that. There are lots of things are there in the block. Source block, okay, circle, box, hexagon, triangular, detail, call out, like that. Okay, center extent means insertion point or center extent, that I will explain later. Okay, block color, I want to be in yellow color. Scale, suppose you want twice the size, so you can give twice. Okay, see, twice size. Let us give 1.5, that will be more better. Press OK and set the Deep Unacademy set current. Now let us delete this. Let us delete this. Go to multi-leader now. Okay, this is the first it is asking insertion point of block. Suppose this is the insertion point of block. Now it will ask, okay, suppose this is the view number 1, A1 view number, and sheet number is 1 of 10. Suppose there are total 10 sheets, out of which this is the first sheet. Press OK. Now you will see this is the A1 and 1 of 10. Now it will ask for this. See, the landing distance is fixed. Now you can see that if you hover your mouse, you can see that the arrow is snapping. The arrow is snapping at every 30°. Now click here. Now you can see the leader is created and the line type is, see that it is dotted. Okay, go to M leader style. See, M leader style. If you go to M leader style and you try to modify it, okay, here you will see that the first segment is 30°. But why didn't they ask about the second segment? because here the maximum leader point is 2. Suppose if I set it as 3 or 4 rather, so I have to click 4 times. Okay, landing distance is 30. Okay, leader format that I have already explained. And in the content, suppose I don't want block, I want m text. So in the m text, all the options will be there for text. You can set accordingly. Those are very simple. Text angle as inserted, always right reading or keep horizontal, like that. You can see that those are very simple options. Okay, those are very simple options. Yes. Okay, so press OK and set current. Now let's try this. Go to leader, select this. First it is asking the text actually. So let me write circle base, circle base. Okay. Okay, so sorry, you have to mention opposite corner. We don't have to write anything. So opposite corner, then you have to write circle radius 30 and close the text editor. Now it will ask for, see, I have placed this in the wrong side. Now it will ask for next point. See, again one more point it is asking. So actually this is not correct. Let me do it again. Go to M leader. Let me place the text here. Left click, then again left click. Okay, circle radius 30. Close the text editor. Now it is placed here. Now you can see this is the landing. The first click, see, you can see that it is snapping at every 45 degree. First one was snapping at every 30 degree because in the M leader style, first segment angle was 30. And here the second segment angle is 45. So it is snapping at every 45 degree. Okay. Now see again. Yes. So how many clicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was not a click. This was just a M text. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you go to M leader style again, okay, go to modify. From here you will see that as of now leader structure is 4. That's why I had to click 4 times. I had to click 4 times. Exactly. I hope this is clear. Okay, you can insert any particular block as well. That totally depends upon you. Okay, yes. Now this break size is remaining. So let me change the line type. Let me give it to continuous. So it will change. Now, suppose we have a rectangle here, right here. Okay, now you want to dimension this. Go to dim command. You want to dimension this from the center to this center. Suppose you have dimension like this. You can see here clashing of leader and dimension line is happening. So for that, what I am going to do, I am going to use dim break. So first of all, go to M leader style, go to M leader style, and from here go to Deepan Academy modify. You can see the break size is 10. The break size is 10. So based on that, the break will occur on this particular leader, multi-leader. So what I am going to do, go to dim break, go to dim break, enter. Select the dimension to add or remove break. This is the line, press enter. See, the break has happened and the distance is 10 because in the M leader style it is 10. I hope this is clear. Yes, modify. So leader structure is understandable for you, and yes, content, this is also very easy. So these are some of the source block which are already there. Suppose you want to use some user block. So go to user block. You can select the name A, shape new or weld. Suppose I want weld, so press OK. So weld will come. Okay, so you have to go to this user block. Okay, all the block which are created inside this particular drawing, that will show in the what can I say, user block. Okay, see, you can add the tag number. So all the things you can do in the m text. If you go, this settings will open, and these things you can easily manage. These are not that much important that you can do it from yourself. That's very easy, m text. Okay, so block, I am going to user block. From here I am going to weld. Okay, this block box will open. Press OK. Again press OK and close it. Now go to multileader. Okay, first insertion point of block. Suppose this is the insertion point, means here I want to insert. Now after that, you have to select 4 times. Oh, I'm so sorry. Go to leader. Rather, I will go M leader, because I don't want to press lots of time. M leader style, not new. Modify. Okay, from leader structure, maximum number of leader points is, let us set as 2 only. 2 is enough. Okay, now close it. Now go to M leader. Place the, actually this block is quite bigger, right? So what we can do is, we can go to M leader style, modify, and from here you can go to content, and this scale is 1. Now suppose you want, suppose, see, first insert it and directly click on this. See, because the first segment angle was on, that's why it was snapping at 30°. Suppose if I go to multi-leader style again, modify, and here in the leader structure, suppose keep this off and keep this off, then it will be more better. It will not snap. So go to multi-leader, place it first, this one and this one. Okay, so like this it will happen. This is the landing, and suppose you want to edit something here, then obviously you have to use the attributes. Okay, like see, whenever, go to M leader. Okay, M leader style, modify. Okay, from here content, go to block, and here suppose I want this detailed call out. Okay, and press OK, close. Now go to leader, place it. Now every time it will ask this attributes. Suppose view number is B2 and sheet number is 2 of 10, and press OK and do it. So basically this was the first point, and this is the second point, because maximum number of clicks or maximum number of points I set it as 2 in the multi-leader style. Where it is? Where is that option? Here it is. Modify, in the leader structure, maximum leader points 2. That's why I had to click 2 only. But can you see that attributes? I have already explained how to create attributes while doing the title bar. Maybe in future, in the 7th or 8th chapter, a block attributes are there. In that I have explained what is that attribute. Okay, yes, so that attribute you can easily create using block. Okay, using block, you can easily create that. So that block has been explained in the further chapter, that is chapter number 7 or 8, I guess. Okay, yes, module number 7 or 8. Okay, in the further chapter it is there. So I hope this is clear. Now we have some more options. Suppose, let me create one more circle. Let me create one more circle of 30 radius. Okay, suppose you want to add leader. You can click on this arrow. Suppose you want to add a leader. So go to add leaders. Now it will ask, select a multi-leader. Suppose this is a multi-leader. And now it will ask specify leader arrowhead location. Suppose this is the leader arrowhead location. Suppose you want to attach with this as well, so you can attach this. Suppose you want to attach with this as well, so you can attach here as well, and press enter. So this is how it will do. Now suppose you want to break from here, so you can go to dim break and click on this and press enter. So it will get break from wherever the objects are coming. If you move it, that break will be gone. See, it is gone. Okay, suppose if I move this, let us move this particular object to this side. See, automatically that particular leader will move as per that. Okay, so like that it happens. Suppose if I move it here, it will, the arrow will also move. Suppose if I move it here, this one, so it will happen like this. Now you can see the break is there because I have used a dim break on this all the leaders. That's why it is happening. Okay, you can remove the dim break as well. Go to dim break. Okay, suppose you want to remove this break, so select this and enter. It must be removed. See, it is removed actually. Some problem is happening. Some problem is happening, but it must remove in the dim break. Suppose if I go to dim break here, let us try this here. Dim break. Select this and press enter. It must happen. Some problem is happening. Okay, that break thing I will explain. That I have already explained in this chapter itself, in this module or next module maybe. Okay, now that is not important. The important part is that this one, remove leader. Add leader I have already done. Add leader, suppose you want to add this leader again. Okay, add to this, add to this, and add to this. So you can easily add that. So that is done. Now we have one more option, remove leader. Which leaders you want to remove? Suppose I want to remove this leader. Okay, this leader and this leader. Press enter. Go to remove leader again. See, select this leader. Okay, that is already selected, I guess. Select this leader. That leader can't be removed. Press enter. So this way you can remove the leaders. Okay, now go add leader. Let it be like that only. Okay. See, go to remove leader, select this and press enter. So that will be removed. Yes. So the leaders which are added, that can only be removed. The leader which is the main leader, that will not be removed. See, suppose if I select this and press enter, that will be removed. Okay, so like this you can add leader, like this you can add leader, and you can remove leader. Select this and remove it like that. Now we have align option. Suppose I want to align this three leaders. Let me delete this. Suppose I want to align these three leaders. Okay, select align, go to align, select this and this. press enter. Now select leader to align. Suppose this is the leader to align. So along this leader, I want to align. Now it will ask direction, where you want to place. If you move your mouse, it will ask for direction. So put the ortho on. So it will align like this or it will align like this. Suppose I want to align like this. So see, they are aligned. Okay, they are aligned. So this is how align works. Go to align. Suppose I want to align this and this. Press enter. Okay, if you put the ortho off, okay, now it will ask multi-leader to align. Suppose I want to align along this. Now it will ask where it should be the direction. You want to align like this, like this, like this. Suppose put the ortho on. So align like this. I hope this is very much clear. Okay, now we have collect option. Go to tool palettes. You can press control, one second, control 3, control plus 3. This is the shortcut key for tool palettes, control plus 3. So this will open. We have tables, we have modeling like that. Suppose right click here, view options. One second. See, we have lots of option right here. I want to go to, see, if you click here now, can you see this? Below the, let me move it here. See, below the tables, we have this. If you click on that, okay, below the table, we have some stairs kind of shape. Just click over there. You will see this options are there. Go to leaders. Once you go to leader, it will come. So let us create a leader with circle. Okay, so place the circle first. It will ask, what do you want? I want to write 23, tag number. Okay, and put the ortho off so that we can move it. So place it like this. So this is done. Okay, let me place one more tag. Let me write it as 25 tag. Okay, so like this. Now go to collect, select multi-leaders, select another multi-leader, press enter. Now this is horizontal. You can go to vertical, so they will be showing as vertical. Go to horizontal, this will be showing as vertical, horizontal. So like that you can wrap, sorry, you can collect. Again go to collect, select this and this, press enter. Now this is horizontal. Suppose you want vertical, so click on vertical and place it. So like this it will happen.